Welcome to our ultimate guide to avoiding online scams in 2025. As technology advances, so do the strategies scammers use. Let's take a closer look. Understanding the types of scams is crucial. We'll cover phishing, e-commerce fraud, and investment scams that are prevalent this year. Stay vigilant. Here are some red flags you should watch out for that might indicate a potential scam. To protect yourself, always follow safe online practices while browsing. This includes verifying URLs and avoiding unsafe sites. Choosing the right payment options can make a world of difference. Let's discuss secure payment methods to safeguard your transactions. Make use of technology to protect yourself. Antivirus software and secure browser settings can be your first line of defense. Always verify sources. Ensuring the authenticity of websites and emails before providing personal information is essential. If you encounter a scam, it's important to report it. Here's how you can seek help and make your voice heard. Stay informed by following reliable news sources on scams. Knowledge is power in defending against online threats. Let's wrap up. Empower yourself and others to combat online scams by sharing what you've learned today. Together, we can make the internet a safer space.